Well, we have two Coleman steel belted coolers that I just love. But one of the problems they have is the plastic on the bottom gets busted off, comes apart. And in this one, this 80 quart, which was made in 86, it got real bad. So I'm going to do some repairs on it. I've taken some square hinge corners and rounded them out, put some foam back in there to help reinforce the corners. And then what I'm going to do is apply some Marine Tech like I did to this one on all the corners. Now this one was built in January 93. This one in October of 85. We got it in 86. So that was the only problem with them, was the corners busting out. And this one, I put that Marine Tech on it. Boy, it's held up real good. So I got a bigger batch. This is white. We'll see how that comes out. But this was only, I think, an ounce. And I patched the inside and those corners. And this one is 14 ounces. So I hope to be able to do all four corners. And so I found something I think that'll work a little better than the other stuff that I had. You can see this has got holes in it. And that way the material will be able to penetrate through it. And this is what this is. I got it at Home Depot. And I think it's going to work out real well for securing these corners, to put that Marine Tech on and lock it down real good. We'll see how it goes. All right, well, I've got all four corners prepped for tomorrow. We'll see how it works out. This is the worst one. And there's a couple where I put the material underneath as well, like this one. I put some underneath and then some over the top where I could. So we got her ready to go. Mix and spread tomorrow. Well, I used 2 ounces of the Marine Tech to do all four corners of my other coolers. So I thought, well, maybe with half that'll be enough. Well, with half of it, I got this corner. And then I mixed up the rest. Went around, got the other corners. I'm not sure how good it is, but it's better than what it was. And we'll see how it holds up. So I'll give it a day to dry and set up, and we'll go from there. All right, here's the finished product. Turned out pretty nice. Took some sandpaper, sanded off all the sharp edges and stuff all the way around. And I think it's going to work out real nice.